Is it on you? Hopefully. That's decent. That's a good one.
Don't take it all the way up to the thing.
Dude, now you're funny, dude. No. Oh, it's here. One, two, right? You guys do a 1-2 punch. Finally, right, Titus? ห็นตอนเราพูดอยู่ I want to keep him over here. Where's he going?
You can pull that way. You can go over the corner. But you can't go.
I got one here. It's right there. Oh, is he over?
He's on this side. He's on this side.
Oh, shoot. Oh, is it over or under? Here. Where is it? Which way?
This side and this side.
You got it?
Hold this.
I got drag on. Here you go.
No, I'm gonna wait for him to come up first. You got to tire him up first. Good one.
Oh, that's a nice one, dude. To your right, you mean? Keep it to the right. Oh, that's a nice one, dude. Oh, nice. That's decent, Titus. What you talking about? Hey. Kung Fu set. Nó mới quẹo cô nhỉ?
got it. Just leave it there. I got it.
That's the one I just let go, Titus. Yeah. It feels so decent right there. Got him. Maybe I'm not sure. Probably 7 or 8.
You know, we're gonna have enough to eat for this trip. We're gonna eat caught every day, man. I tell you.
Put John Kelly there. That's a decent one. Oh. That's a nice one.
Finally.
Why is the bobber moving like that? Really well. Oh, we really should sound, but I would probably get down to eat down the foot down the hit that one and then hit that one and hit that one. Doesn't look that big. Oh. Oh, 3 more. Oh yeah, that's nice. Feel it in it too. Oh, there you go. muốn to hơn nhiều chứ gì. You try to keep him this way though. Come this way, baby. I don't know if it's that big, but oh, it's decent. I told you this one's kind of big.
Yeah, now I got the spot, man.